Look, as soon as that alarm rings in the morning, you already start making every single mistake in the playbook, which basically ruins your day. You're starting your day off wrong. Today, boys, I'm gonna show you all the mistakes dudes make in the morning so you can avoid them. Let's hop into this. Number one, it's sleeping in. Sleeping in, you've already lost. You have lost your first battle of the day. We all have that inner dialogue in our head. You're sleeping, you hear the alarm ring, and you start thinking, man, just 5 more minutes, just 5 more minutes. When you start giving in into the lazy side of what your mind is saying, you've already lost. See, waking up at a specific time that you set every morning, that takes discipline. And even though this is a small thing, what you don't understand is that the more you build on that discipline, on the small things, the more you can take that discipline and apply it to larger things. And we already know those who are disciplined are the ones that win in life. Number two, rolling over and the first thing you do is checking your phone, your texts, your social media, your emails. See, all that's gonna do is create anxiety and depression. Those are the only two feelings you're gonna get from checking your phone that early in the morning. Most psychologists actually suggest for you not to check your phone until you're already out the door, that you've freshened up, that you have some of your own me time. Why? Because those emails, those text messages, that's gonna create anxiety. That's gonna add to your to-do list, things that you have to get done. Now your mind is racing. Social media, all you're gonna see is other influencers' perfect life, and then you're gonna start comparing your life and think, man, I suck. I have to go clock in 2 shifts today just to make ends meet. You don't want to have to do that to yourself. Instead, don't roll over to your phone. Take some me time. Take some time in the morning for yourself to pamper yourself up, make yourself look good. And until you're out the door, that's when you start checking your phone. Which this actually takes us on to number 3. Actually takes time to look good. See, just too many times people will wake up and put the first thing that they can find onto themselves, even if they don't look good. I want you to take 10 minutes of self-care time for yourself and actually put together an outfit that you know it's gonna make you feel confident. Because that confidence, you're gonna carry that energy throughout the day. And that energy is unmatched. That energy, people will be able to feel it, and you're just gonna crush that day. And don't forget the accessories. See, if you really wanna level your fit up, don't just put on the basics, really go for it. Throw on a nice watch, throw on a pair of glasses. These are the 2 accessories you can never leave the house with. See, glasses, glasses makes every dude feel better. Whether you didn't have a good night's sleep, maybe you had a tough night the night before, it's gonna hide imperfections and make you look good. It's gonna make you look refreshed. On top of that, we already know frames structure your face, which makes you look attractive, which makes you feel confident. If you guys want a good pair of frames, you already know there's nowhere else to go other than Jade Black. And if you've ever wanted a pair, ours are only $49. But for this November 27th, we're having a massive 50% off. Black Friday, I want you to understand something. We have never, ever in the history of Jade Black done a sale this massive. 50% off all inventory. You're up to 50% off. That's for prescription, blue light, and sunglasses. So now you're getting Italian handmade acetate. I'm talking about designer level quality for around $25. This is the biggest sale we have ever done, and if you've ever wanted to collect a collection, if I were you, I'd buy like 5 pairs. You'll never see them this affordable. You can build an entire collection at the lowest price possible. And matter of fact, pick up some for your girl, for your mom, for your aunt, for your dad. We sell both women's and men's collection, making it the perfect holiday gift that's not gonna break the bank and people are gonna actually love. Boys, I don't know about you, but if I were you, November 27th, this is a date I would not miss. See, all our stores, they're gonna go on Black Friday sale, and up to 50% off for Jade Black. That's something you're not gonna wanna skip on. Number 4, brushing your teeth after breakfast. I've always recommended brushing before. See, what happens is that when you eat acidic foods in the morning, like your coffee, your OJ, your fruits, your enamel starts to break down. Your enamel's at its weakest state. If you then grab a toothbrush and start brushing your teeth when your enamel is that weak, you can potentially be damaging your teeth. This is why it's suggested for you to brush your teeth before breakfast, then you have breakfast, and if you want fresh breath, use a mouthwash where you're not gonna be scrubbing down your teeth to cleanse your mouth, and now you're good to go. Number 5, going for that cup of coffee. Now I know most people need that cup of coffee, but you need to understand, coffee is a dehydrator. Look, you just spent 8 hours sleeping. Your body's already dehydrated and needs water. What happens is when you go for coffee first, you're dehydrating your body even further, and it only takes 2% dehydration. 2% to start feeling sluggish and tired and like you lack energy. So instead of going for that cup of coffee, I want you to grab a nice tall glass of water. Water is going to rehydrate your body. It's going to jumpstart your metabolism, and it's going to give you that natural energy boost that you're looking for. And finally, number 6, you're not getting enough sunlight. Look, as soon as you get up, you need to give your body vitamin D to signal to your body's sleep-wake cycle that it's time to wake up. This is when your body's going to start producing some of that natural energy so you can get up. See, right now, vitamin D deficiency is common, especially since everybody's working from home. So if you can just step out, grab some sunlight for about 5 minutes, you're going to feel some of that natural energy that vitamin D can offer you. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 6 mistakes that every dude is making in the mornings. That's it for me today. See you next time.